Have you ever wondered how AI can make your life easier and more productive? Let's face it, we all have a lot on our plate at all times. We're juggling work, family, and social algorithms. And in this fast moving world of AI, it can be really hard for us to keep. But what if I told you there is a way to make our lives a little bit easier? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Bard, an exceptional AI tool from Google that can help you with a wide range of tasks from writing to researching to brainstorming. Well, here comes the time I eagerly wait for. Do you know about an AI tool in development which can revolutionize the way music is made? Just like what ChatGPT did to the world. Servers crashed, records got broken. Well, then stay tuned to learn more about this crazy AI tool and watch till the end to know how AI will decide the future of music. Before we move on, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share to our channel, which will motivate us to keep coming back with more and more breathtaking videos unfolding the power of AI. Coming back to our video, let's firstly know what is Google Bard. Google Bard is a large language model made from the mighty Google, also known as a conversational AI chatbot trained to be informative and comprehensive. I like it to be as my personal assistant or EA that can help me with anything that I need. To use Google Bard, you need to first go to the Google Bard website, Bard AI. Okay. Now you need to sign into your Google account. Once you're signed into your Google account, here is a place where you can actually enter all the prompts. So let me type in, write an essay on the cat in the gym, or a cat in the gym. Sorry, a cat in the gym. And there you go. You have the output here. Super easy, right? Okay, moving on. Here are some examples of the prompts that you can give to Bard. Questions. You can ask Bard questions about anything from the weather to the news. Instructions. You can ask Bard to write a poem, generate a code, or create a presentation. Brainstorming. You can use Bard to generate ideas for new projects or to help you solve problems. The key to getting good results from Bard is to give the right prompts. Here are a few tips. Be specific. The more specific you are with your prompts, the better Bard will be able to understand what you want. For example, instead of asking Bard to write a poem, try asking Bard to write a poem about a cat. Use keywords. Don't forget, you're giving Bard a prompt. Be sure to indicate keywords that will help it narrow down its search. For example, if you're asking Bard to write blog post about the latest news, be sure to include keywords like news, current events, and breaking news. Use examples if you can. The key to getting good results from Bard is to give the right sort of prompts. This will help it to understand your expectations. For example, if you're asking Bard to write a script for a TV show, be sure to give it examples of other TV shows that you like. Well, now that you've already learned how to ask Bard the right sort of questions, here's your homework. Go back and ask Bard to write a poem about cat that's also a ninja. Or ask Bard to generate a code for a website that sells unicorn farts and share the interesting results in the comment section below. Here are a few good examples of how you can use Google Bard to boost your productivity at work. You can ask Bard to write a poem about favorite place. You can ask Bard to generate a code for a simple website. You can use Bard to brainstorm your ideas for a new marketing campaign. You can ask Bard to summarize a research paper as well. Exciting, right? Google Bard has the potential to change our lives in a number of ways. It can help us to be more productive, more creative, and be more informed. Bard can help us further to write better essays and reports, create more engaging presentations, generate new ideas for products and services, stay up to date on the latest news and trends. Google Bard is a powerful tool that can help you improve your productivity and creativity at the same time. I encourage you to try it out and see how it can help you change the world for you. Drum rolls, please. It's finally the time for the moment that we've all been waiting for. The super reveal of our music creation visa to glory. None other than Google LM. Brace yourselves because this AI tool has the power to revolutionize the way we breathe music. Now, here's the scoop. Google LM is just under development and not free to use yet, but oh boy, the potential is out of the world. I'm bursting with excitement to share a mind-blowing tutorial video on Google LM with everyone. But here's the deal. If you're ready to shout out from the rooftops, bring me the power of AI. in the comment section below, then consider yourselves invited to this thrilling music adventure. Get those fingertips typing and let me know you're on board for this epic journey into the realm of AI music. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos every week. Be sure to check back upon me often.